All right, folks, the first thing you want to do is season your new LavaLock Griddle. Don't make this any more complicated than it has to be. We're taking a little bit of rag, just get it wet. Just gonna wipe it off. Just get some water on there. Real simple here, folks, nothing hard at all. A little bit of dust on there from the manufacturing. I'm taking Dawn Power Wash and just spraying it on here. Get our rag wet again. Wipe that soap. Put it everywhere I can on the whole griddle here. And that's not hard. That's not hard at all. There's some definite dust and oils and so forth on here that you want to try to do your best to get off. Now you want to rinse it. So what I want to do is just pour this bucket of water right over top of it. So there you go, fully rinsed. Now what we'll do next is we'll throw some lit charcoal into a grill, put some cooking oil on the surface of the griddle here, throw it into the grill and let it cook for an hour or so, let it get really good and seasoned. I'll show you how we do that next. All right, folks, so our griddle's completely dry and our charcoal's about ready. What I'm going to do now is just take cooking Pam and spread all over the face of the griddle. Get a good even coat of it all the way around. All right, so there we go. Got it fully covered in Pam now. What I'll do now, so the charcoal into the grill, super hot. I'm using lump charcoal, B&B lump charcoal, and get it really good and hot. Put it in the grill, then I put the griddle over top of that and leave it in there for about an hour and let this thing season up. We'll do that next. Okay, so the charcoal's ready. We'll pour it into the grill, put our griddle in, and get it seasoned. All right. Charcoal's in. We're gonna leave the bottom vent and the top vent both completely open. Put our griddle in, and away we go. We're seasoning it up now. See you guys in an hour. All right, folks, there you have it. The perfectly seasoned LavaLock Griddle with rails and drip pan, ready for whatever we want to throw on it.